A ray of light incident on a 60-degree prism of refractive index root 2 suffers minimum deviation. The angle of incidence is. A ray of light incident on a prism whose angle is 60. Therefore, angle of the prism is 60 degree. And there is a deviation. Deviation is minimum, where refractive index of that material of the prism is root 2. The question is to find out the value of I. When the deviation is minimum, we know I is equal to E or R1 is equal to R2. Hence we wrote angle I is equal to, it is A plus delta M divided by 2, where delta M is a minimum deviation and A is the angle of the prism. Now the question is asked, angle of incidence is asked for which the deviation minimum. Therefore, N is equal to, it is a sin I divided by sin R. Since there is a minimum deviation, I is equal to E, R1 is equal to R. Therefore, I wrote it's R. But we know A is equal to R1 plus R2. In this case, both are equal. Therefore, it's a 2R. Hence, R is equal to A by 2. N is root 2 is equal to sin I divided by sin of R. R is equal to A by 2. That is 60 divided by 2. Therefore, sin I is equal to, it's a root 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is half. Root 2 divided by 2. Therefore, it's a 1 by root 2. Therefore, sin I is equal to 1 by root 2 implies I is equal to, it is a 45. Therefore, angle of incidence for this particular case is a 45 degree, and that is given as option C.